presión que este.
Well, yeah, but one of them has to have more pressure. So we got the hinges on. The tensioners are right here and here. We got them chromed. You have to get this piece inside the pocket first. So you're gonna have to, where it's an S shape, you have to just grab that other side and then pull it this way, pull it that way, just to get this in. Once you get that in, there you put it in this bracket right here, and then we just grabbed a damn thing right there and put it in. We got those in. They already have tension. You can adjust it right here. If you want more tension, go up, but they're pretty much good to go. Oh, you can see it right here. Hizo más o menos, no? To straighten the bracket, the one that was bent.
Well, I think that's the one. This is this one right here. You can feel the pressure.
Well, yeah, but they had to heat it up and stuff. Okay, we'll just leave it, and then once we get the trunk on.
See, and this one, they got more fucking pressure than.
Well, yeah, because the other one was bent. Let's see that.
I'm gonna have issues with that one.
Well, we'll try it. That's all we have, because the hardtop ones are different.
They're the same shit.
No, they're not. Go look. I'll bet money on it.
I have to go get some Capulina.
¿Por qué?
El 62 él tiene.
I don't know if they're the same. But yeah, you pretty much have to feed this bracket in here first, in this pocket. And then there's let me show you. It goes right, that little tip right there, it goes right here. And then it goes through this hole. And here's where the tension goes. So we got them in. And then the trunk hinges are already ready to go if you guys have having issues with them.
Yeah, just bring more than that.
Let's see, here is how it goes on this side. Feet's right there. And then if you see, it goes right here and then crosses through the back. And then it runs inside the pocket right here. But if you guys have any questions on the trunk, just let me know.